Good morning, my dear students. Today we are going to discuss about determinants. The first students, singular matrix. First we are going to discuss about singular matrix. If the determinant of the square matrix is 0, then it is called singular. Otherwise it is called non-singular. Okay, students? If the determinant of, write down students, if the determinant of square matrix, my dear students, if the determinant of the square matrix is 0, then it is called singular matrix. What is the student? Then the matrix is called singular matrix. Yes. Singular matrix. Okay. Otherwise, it is non-singular. Okay, student. Otherwise, it is called. Non-singular matrix. Otherwise, it is called as non-singular matrix. Is it clear, students? My dear students, right now, determinants. These are very, very important model, students. Please concentrate on it. So, my dear students, the left hand side is there a square plus 2a, 2a plus 1, 1. And 2a plus 1, a plus 2, 1, 3, 3, 1. So, when we observe any row or a column 1, undoubtedly, the depth is the very easy. Okay, student, how to find the depth? When you observe either row or a column, each element is equal to 1, then it will be very easy to find the determinant. So, right now, students, when it is a third column is there 1. So, dear students, first you can write, this is the row 1, this is the row 2. So, R1 is replaced by R1 minus R2. So, my first suggestion is, when you can write R1, undoubtedly you can write R1 here. The R1 is replaced by R1 minus R2. That means R1 is changes as R1 minus R2. Okay, students? So, the left hand side, R1 minus R2 is the R1. So, this is what 2a cancel. A square minus 1. Okay, students? After that, 2a minus a. 1 minus 2, minus 1. 1 minus 1, 0. Dear students, this is the R1. 2a cancel, a square minus 1. 2a minus a. 1 minus 2, minus 1. 1 minus 1, 0. Now, students, the R2 replaced by R2 minus R3. Is it clear? R2 replaced by R2 minus R3. Now, students, this is what? 2a. 1 minus 3 minus 2. Dear student, this is what? 2 minus 3 minus 1. 1 minus 1, 0. My dear students, the last row is there. We can do only at a time 2 operations. So we can do only the 2 operations only. Don't take 3 operations. Already R1 and R2 has changed. So dear students, already I explained in the properties. When you observe either row or a column is common is there, we have to take an element common from the either row or a column, but not each element. Okay, students? It is not a scalar multiplication of the matrix. Okay, students? It is the depth. Depth has a constant value. So, dear students, we have to take the common factor in the first row, a minus 1. So, dear students, the first row is the common factor is the a minus 1. What is the remaining in the first row? A plus 1, yes. A plus 1 into a minus 1, a square minus b square. 1, 0. Is it clear, students? So, this is what, when we are taking the 2 is the common, undoubtedly. When you are taking the 2 is common, undoubtedly the remaining is a minus 1. So, in the second row also, the common term is there, a minus 1. So dear students, when we are taking the 2 is common, here a minus 1 is there. Already we taken the common factor is a minus 1. So students, this is 1, this is 2, yes, 2, 1, 0. What are there? 3, 3, 1. So this is 3, 3, 1. Dear students, a minus 1 whole square. How to find the determinant? My dear students, when you observe any row or a column, at least 2 elements are there, undoubtedly we have to find the determinant that particular column or row. So dear students, here observe the 0, 0 or the third column is there. So this is plus minus plus. Therefore, 1 into, how to find the that? 1 into, dear students, AD minus BC. 0 into, minus 0 into, 1 into. AD minus BC is the students A plus 1. This is what? Minus 2. Dear students, the A minus 1 whole square, this is A minus 1. Now this is the students A minus 1 whole cube, that is the right hand side. Okay students, A minus 1 whole cube. How to write the students? So when we observe either row or a column, each element 1, then you can take here the third column is each element having 1. So we are taking R1 minus R2 and R2 minus R3. After that we are taking the common factor in the first row, A minus 1. And also the common factor in the second row, A minus 1. After that we observe, after the common factors, we observe in the third column is 0, 0 is there. Then you have to find the determinant for the 1 only. 1 we know that, how to find the determinant. We can delete after deleting the row and the column of the 1, then you have to find the determinant of the 2 by 2. That is A plus 1 minus 2. Yes, this is also A minus 1. This is our required solution. Okay students? My dear students, now the second one. Find the value of x. Okay? The determinant equal to 0. So, dear students, the first we can written as the R2 replace. First you can write here when you are taking R2, this is also R2. R2 minus R1. So dear students, the x minus 2 is there. This is a 2x minus 3. After that 3x minus 4. R2 is replaced by R2 minus R1. X cancel, minus 4 plus 2. This is minus 2. Minus 9, minus 3, minus of minus plus 3. This is minus 6. Minus 16 plus 4 is the students, minus 12. And the students R3 replaced by R3 minus R1. What students? R3 minus R1. Now students, this is minus 8 plus 2 is the minus of 6. Minus 27 minus 3 is the students minus 24. Minus 64, this is, what is the student? Minus 64 plus 4 is the minus of 60. So dear students, so what we observed in the second row and third row, minus 2 is the common. Here minus 6 is the common. Okay students? Now the x minus 2, the first row is x minus 2, 2x minus 3, 3x minus 4. The minus 2 is the common. Dear students, the minus 2 is the common. Therefore, 2 1s are, 2 3s are, 2 3s are, 2 1s are, 2 3s are, 2 6s are. Okay students? Now what is the common is here? Minus of 6, 6 1s are, 6 4s are, 6 10s are. So dear students, this will be 0. Now students, now this is the sending to the other side, it will be 0. Now this is what students? X minus 2. Dear students, the x minus 2, how to write the student? 30 minus 24. What is the students? 30 minus 24. After that, students, the minus of 2x minus 3. How to write minus of 2x minus 3? This is 10 minus 6. 10 minus 6. After then, students, the 3x minus 4. The 3x minus 4. This is 4 minus 3. What is the students? 4 minus 3. So, dear students, how can you write this is undoubtedly x minus 2 into 30 minus 24 is the 6. After then, students, minus of 2x minus 3. After that, 10 minus 6 is the 4. My dear students, now this is 3x minus 4 equal to 0. So, students, how can you write this is 6 into x, 6x. Now, this is minus of 8x plus 3x. Now, minus of 12, minus into minus plus, 3 4s are 12, minus 4 is there. Dear students, 9x minus 8x is the x. This is what? Undoubtedly x value equal to 4. Write down, students. So, students, if ABC, a square, b square, my dear students, a square, b square, c square, 1 plus a cube, 1 plus b cube, 1 plus c cube equal to 0. Then, so that ABC equal to minus 1. So, students, already I explained in the properties. We observe the third column is the sum of the two terms are there. Now, this one expand into the two determinants. So, students, this is ABC, a square, b square, c square, 1 1 1. So, dear students, this is, we know that this one expand into the two decks. Therefore, ABC. After then, a square, b square, c square. Now, students, a cube, b cube, c cube equal to 0. Okay, students. Now, this is what? ABC. A square, b square, c square, 1 1 1. My dear students, what is the common in the first row? A. That is the students 1 a square. What is the common in the second row? B. 1 c square. Sorry. 1 b square. What is the common in the third row? C. That is 1 c square. My dear students, here what we observe, students, a square 1, b square 1, c square 1. Then this is ABC. My dear students, first we can interchange. What is the students? First we can interchange ABC. Here 1 1 this. After then, already I explained when you can interchange any two rows or columns, the value of the determinant, the sign of the determinant must be changed. So, students, here the first when we are to interchange A, B, C, dear students, when we can interchange R, C1 and C2, that is A, B, C, after that 1 1 1. Then also we can interchange after that 1 1 1 and A square, B square, C square. So, here 2 times happened. Then that means minus into minus is the plus. Okay, students. First A, B, C we can written in the first column. 1 1 is the second column. Then you got 1 minus. Okay, students. After that A square, B square, C square and 1 1 1 interchange. Then you got again minus minus plus. That is A square, B square, C square, 1 1 1. So, students, what is the common in these two? A square 1, B square 1, C square 1 is the common. So, when there is a common, so that is divided by on both sides. the divided by on both sides det of a square 1, b square 1, c square 1. So students, there is 1 plus ABC equal to 0. Just you can cancel divided by these are all. So dear students, we got 1 plus ABC equal to 0. This is the students ABC equal to minus 1. Is it clear students? Divided by a square 1, b square 1, c square 1 on both sides. Okay students? My dear students, this is a very important one students. ABC, BCA, CAB whole square. So dear students, first we are taking ABC, BCA, CAB whole square. Or first you have to find the debt. Okay students, first of all we are going to find the debt. How to find the determinant? Here students, that is A into BC minus A square. BC minus A square. Dear students, the minus B into B square minus AC. C into AB minus C square. So dear student, this is ABC minus A cube. After that minus B cube plus ABC. This is also ABC minus C cube. Dear students, this is what? ABC, 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 3ABC. And also minus is the common students. A cube plus B cube plus C cube minus 3ABC. Okay students, this is the value of ABC, BCA, CAB. Now students, squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. So this is what students? ABC, BCA, then CAB whole square equal to, dear students, minus square is the plus. So this is A cube plus B cube plus C cube minus 3ABC whole square. A cube plus B cube plus C cube minus 3ABC whole square. This is the first one equal to third one. Okay students, this will be equal to some 1. My dear students, now we saw that the second part. Okay. So how to prove the second part? Now students, second part, that is ABC, BCA, CAB whole square is there. Dear students, first we are taking the debt 2 times. ABC, BCA, CAB and ABC, BCA, CAB. We can write 2 times. ABC, BCA, CAB, ABC, BCA, CAB. Dear students, how to write this is ABC, BCA, CAB. And dear students, we can observe here what is there, minus A square is there. Just you can interchange row 1, row 2 and row 3. That is, all of you observe, A, B, C, we can interchange each other R2 and R3, interchanging each other second row and third row. Dear students, that is ABC. Now this is what? CAB and BCA. So we can put minus any one of the row or column. So CAB and BCA, second row and third row interchanging each other, we take the minus sign of the each element of the row 1. So here taking, why should we take the minus of the first row? Is there minus a square? That is the reason only. So dear students, now the multiplication. How to write the multiplication? Dear students, right now the multiplication is first row is a multiple with the first column. That is minus a square BC plus BC. Minus a square BC plus BC. After that, students, the first row is multiple with the second column, that is of minus AB. After that, plus AB. C into C is the C square. Now students, this is minus of AC. After that, B square. Now this is what? AC. Okay students, now we have to multiple with this. How to write this is minus AB. Minus of AB plus C square plus AB. Then is what? Minus B square plus AC plus AC. Okay students, the second row is a multiple with this one. Minus B square plus AC plus AC. Okay students, the second row now multiple with this one. Minus BC plus BC A into A square. Now student, the third row is multiple with first column, second column, third column respectively. That is third row. Please tell me students, minus AC plus AC plus B square. After that, the third row with the second column, that is what? Minus of BC. Now this is plus A square. After that, plus BC. Dear students, this is minus of C square plus AB. Yes, this is also AB. Dear students, how can you write this is BC plus BC? Yes, 2BC minus A square. Now this is the students, minus AB plus AB cancel. This is C square. AC cancel. This is what? B square. Okay students, 2BC minus A square, C square, B square. Now what? AB cancel. This is C square. Now student, this is AC plus AC, 2AC minus B square. BC cancel. This is A square. Dear students, the minus AC plus AC cancel. Now this is what? B square. Minus BC plus BC cancel. This is what? A square. This is the students 2AB. Dear students, the 2AB minus C square. Is it clear student? This will be taken as 2. Yes. From 1 and 2 you can write directly this one. 2BC minus A square, C square, B square. C square, 2AC minus B square, A square. This is what? B square, A square, 2AB minus A square. Okay students? My dear students, this is also very important objective exclusively. So dear students, we find the sigma r equal to 0 to m delta r. What is the student? This is delta r. dr is nothing but delta r. So dear students, how to write the determinant? So undoubtedly students, when we have to find the sigma r equal to 0 to m delta r is nothing but, my dear students, this is, we can apply on both sides, sigma r equal to 0 to m, 0 to n. So yes, how to write this is, when r is there only the first row. What is the students? The r term is here, r equal to 0 to m delta r. So the R term is containing only the row 1. So students, now we can apply sigma R equal to 0 to n 2r minus 1. Sigma R equal to 0 to n MCR. Sigma R equal to 0 to n 1. This is clear students. R equal to 0 to n 2r minus 1. Sigma R equal to 0 to n MCR. Sigma R equal to 0 to n 1. This is what? Next. M square minus 1. This is 2 power n. This is m plus 1. Now students, sine of m square. Sine square of m. Sine square of m plus 1. Dear students, how to write here? So here, 1 minute students, undoubtedly this is r equal to 0 to m. These are all m. Undoubtedly student 0 to 1 means just now we have to find sigma r equal to 0 to m 1. What is the meaning students? R equal to 0 that is 1. R equal to 1 that is 1. R equal to 2 that is 1 up to m times. How many times? Here dear students, this is r equal to 0, r equal to 1, r equal to 2. 1, 2, how many times these are? Actually 1, 2, 3. R equal to 0 is there. In generally r equal to 1 is there. Undoubtedly m times. R equal to 1 m times. But r equal to 0 is there. So m plus 1 times. This is 1 plus 1 plus 1 3 times, that is 3. 1 plus 1 plus 1 that is 4 times 4. So here m plus 1 is the answer. M plus 1 into. Suppose 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 5 times, 5 into 2 that is 10. Here also same. M plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 m plus 1 times m plus 1 into 1. So that is our. Now students, the second one is there. Sigma r equal to 0 to m MCR. This is MC0. After then MC1. This is MC2, MC3 and so on MCM. Dear student, that is the expansion. The sigma is the sum of the binomial coefficients. R equal to 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on m. So students, this is especially we know that in second year, the standard binomial is there 1 plus x whole power m. That is MC0, MC1x, MC2x square and so on MCM. What is the students? MCM x power n. This is the expansion. MC0, MC1x, MC2x square, MCM x power m. MCM x power m. So students, substituting x equal to 1 on both sides. 1 plus 1, 2 power n. This is MC0, MC1, MC2 and so on MCM. Is it clear students? If taking x equal to 1, 1 plus 1, 2. 2 power m is the MC0, MC1, MC2 and so on MCM. So dear students, this complete value is equal to 2 power m. So students, this is the 2 power m, this is m plus 1. Now we have to find this one. So how to find this one? Dear students, is there sigma, my dear students, now this is sigma, write down sigma r equal to 0 to m 2r minus 1. Yes, first you can write 2 sigma r equal to 0 to m r minus, just now we write this one 1 1 1 1 1 1 m plus 1 times, that is sigma r equal to 0 to m1. So students, sigma r, the sigma r is the form generally, the sigma n is the form n into n plus 1 by 2. What is the students? N into n plus 1 by 2. This is the sigma n. Is it clear or not students? Sigma n means everybody know that the sigma n means 1 plus 2 plus 3 and so on n. Dear students, here how many terms are there? Sigma r equal to 0 to m is there. Undoubtedly students, m plus 1 terms are there. We can written as the students m plus 1 into m plus 2. What is the students? M plus 1 into m plus 2. Undoubtedly students, this is what? How to write? Yes students. Okay, this is no problem. Directly you can write r value 0. Okay, no doubt at all. 2, 3 and so on, m is there. No problem. This is the students 1 plus 1 plus 1. How many times? M plus 1 times. No problem students. Here r equal to 0 is there. First 0, 1, 2, 3. Therefore, this is what students, everybody know that this is the formula of n into, that is m into m plus 1 by 2. This is minus m minus 1. So students, undoubtedly what is happening here? M into m is the m square. This is a m. This is what? Minus m minus 1. Plus m minus m cancel. M square minus 1. What is the students? M square minus 1. This is m square minus 1. This is 2 power m. This is m plus 1. So students, after that R1 and R2 are same elements. Both are identical. Then the depth will be 0. Any two rows or two columns are identical, then the determinant value is the 0. That is the property. Okay students, right now how to write this is, each and every explanation is there here. So directly we can written as, dear students, don't write, you can write only the rough section only. So dear student, this is m square minus 1. This is m square minus 1. This is the students 2 power m. This is the students 1 plus 1 plus 1. How many times? M plus 1 times. So student, this is m square minus 1. This is the students 2 power m. This is what? M plus 1. So dear students, the sign of, undoubtedly the sign of m square. This is the sine square of m. This is the students sine square of m plus 1. So my dear students, m square minus 1 2 power m plus 1. M square minus 1 2 power m plus 1. So undoubtedly its determinant must be equal to 0. R1 is identical to R2. So students, R1 similar to R2. That is, undoubtedly its determinant is 0. Since R1 is identical equal to R2. Okay students, R1 and R2 are similar. Okay students, write down. So students, now the f of x. Dear students, f of x is 1x, x plus 1, 2x, x into x minus 1, x plus 1 into x, 3x into x minus 1, x minus 1, x minus 2, and the last row, last element is x minus 1, x plus 1. So students, the f of x, the first row there is no common factor. The second row is the x is the common factor. So 2 is there, x minus 1 is there, x plus 1 is there. Dear students, here the x into x minus 1, x into x minus 1, x into x minus 1 is there. So students, in the third row is the common factor is x into x minus 1. What is there? 3. Here the x minus 2. Here the x plus 1. Dear students, the x into x is the x square into x minus 1. And also students, what we observed here, undoubtedly the R2 can be written as R2 plus R1. What is the students? How can you write? The R2 can be, either you can write R1 is replaced by R1 plus R2. That is no problem at all. Okay, students, R1 is replaced by R1. So sorry, students. C2, column 1, yes. C2 replaced by C2 plus C1. Okay, students, C2 plus C1. Just you can write the first column 1, 2, 3. That is C2 replaced by. How to replace with students? The C2 is the C2 plus 1. So that is x plus 1. After that, this is minus 1 plus 2. This is also x plus 1. Plus 3 minus 2, also x plus 1. So students, x plus 1, x plus 1, x plus 1. So what we observe here, students, the column 2 and column 3 are identical. What is the students? Column 3 is there, x plus 1, x plus 1, x plus 1. Column 3 is there, x plus 1, x plus 1, x plus 1. Undoubtedly, students, the C2 is similar to C3. Then it is what? The column C2 and C3 are same, then it will be 0. So dear students, C2 and C3 are identical. Okay students, are identical. So dear students, we got the f of x equal to 0. So how to find the f of 100? F of 100 is also constant function. F of 100 is also 0. Okay students? So dear students, the left hand side is there, x, a, x, a, x, x, a, x. Dear students, here is there in the right hand side x plus 2a. We can take either C1 is replaced by C1 plus C2 plus C3. Or also R1 is replaced by R1 plus R2 plus R3. Okay students, x plus a plus a, that is a plus x plus a plus x, that is R1, or column also x plus a, no problem at all. R1 is replaced by R1 plus R2 plus R3. What is the students? R1 is replaced by R1 plus R2 plus R3. Dear students, how can you write this is? R1 is replaced by R1 plus R2 plus R3. So students, x plus 2a, then with x plus 2a. So students, x plus 2a, x plus 2a, x plus 2a. So this is the students a, x, a. After that a, x. So how to write this is? X plus 2a is the common. So this is what students? X plus 2a is the common. So 1a. This is 1xa. This is 1ax. My dear students, how can you write the C1 is replaced by C1 minus C2. C2 replaced by C2 minus C3. The first row having each element 1. So then you observed 1, 1, 1. Undoubtedly, we can do 2 ones 0. So how to complete this one? My dear students, we can write as the C1 is replaced by C1 minus C2. Is there x plus 2a? So C1 minus C2. 1 minus 1, 0. Yes, students. After that, this is a minus x. This is students a minus a 0. And also students, the C2 replaced by C2 minus C3. The C2 replaced by C2 minus C3. 1 minus 1, 0. Yes. This is x minus a, this is a minus x. This is x minus a, this is a minus x. Okay students. The last column will be 1ax. 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 So students, what you observed here, the x plus 2a, how to find the determinant? Right now we have to find the determinant of the first row elements. This is 0 minus 0 into 1 into AD minus BC. AD is the students a minus x into a minus x. 0 into minus 0 into 1 into a minus x into a minus x whole square. After that student, this is what? 0. My dear students, this can be written as x plus 2a. Undoubtedly, in the square we can write simply either a minus x is the x minus a whole square. How can you write this is the students? Undoubtedly this can be written as x minus a whole square. The a minus x can be written as x minus a whole square. Okay students, this is a minus b whole square equal to b minus a whole square. This is the right hand side. Okay students, right hand side is there, x plus 2a x minus a whole square. Okay students. Okay students, this is today's students. Okay, all of you practice them. Okay, thank you all.